are just too many people who look in the mirror, decide they need to lose weight and get in better shape, and then fail, and feel terrible about themselves, and then look in the mirror and try again, and then feel terrible about themselves. Are you one of them? In order to lose weight and keep it off, especially in today's stressful society, you must be mentally tough. Every day, we are surrounded with people and food temptations that will try to sabotage your effort to lose weight. This is why losing weight is so difficult and depressing. Now, in today's How to Be episode, we're going to dig deeper and understand 5 major weight loss fails so that the moment you set your mind to shedding all that fat off, you'll succeed. Before anything else, make sure to like and subscribe to How to Be and hit the notification bell to get more updates of our videos. Let's get started. Number 1. You underestimate calories eaten. Calories in, calories out. If it were only that simple. Not the bacon, lettuce, and tomato sandwich. Rather than the little bites, licks, and tastes we're probably all guilty of while preparing a meal, packing the kids' lunch boxes, or putting leftovers from dinner away. Those little nibbles can add up to 300 or more calories per day, and you wouldn't even know it. The good news is there's more to it than math. Figuring out how many calories you're consuming isn't an easy feat. In fact, people who struggle with their weight tend to underestimate their calorie intake by 40% compared to people of normal weight, who underestimate how much they eat by an average of 20%. Number 2. Don't force yourself to finish what's on your plate. What do you do with the extra food on your plate when you are full? Do you end up overeating just so that you can wipe the plate clean? Most of us are also in a habit of filling our plates with huge portions to avoid getting up for the next helping. Tip: start using smaller plates. Use 9-inch plates rather than 12-inch plates. Number 3. Doing long periods of exercise daily. This routine takes up too much of your time and energy. Tendency is that you end up breaking it sooner or later. What you have to do instead is HIIT, high-intensity interval training, which takes less time, builds muscles, and burns calories in half the time. Make sure to watch our video about HIIT to learn more. Number 4. Expect results too quickly. This is another problem when you're too eager to see a result. Tendency is you get demotivated if you don't see the results and not continue your weight loss journey. Remember that a healthy routine in losing weight takes time, whether that's calorie counting, intermittent fasting, etc. Don't mind those advertisements you see that pushes you to believe you see results in 7 days. These are normally a marketing strategy or an unhealthy routine. And last but not the least, changing too many things at once. When you change your routine all at the same time, tendency is your body is going to get overwhelmed by these changes. Do it one step at a time to allow the body to adjust. Start by getting a full night's sleep. Remember, you have to have at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep a day to make sure that your weight loss becomes effective. Next step, try drinking more cups of water a day. And then, eventually try meditation or yoga. Now that we've shown and explained these 5 major weight loss fails, it's time we execute and get that rocking body you've always wanted. Make sure to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell while you're at it. Thank you for watching and see you on our next episode.